Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli has announced the completion of the first phase of the Mahalla Spinning and Weaving Mills Revival Project. During a tour of the Mahalla Spinning Mills, Madbouli revealed the project's total cost exceeds 56 billion Egyptian pounds. He emphasized the government's commitment to revitalizing the spinning and weaving industry and maximizing the use of Egyptian cotton. And the Minister of Housing, Sharif al-Shirbini, has inspected the Fustat Hills Park project to review its implementation status. The project is being carried out by the Central Agency for Reconstruction. The Fustat Hills Park is one of the largest parks in the Middle East, spanning 500 acres in a central location in the heart of historic Egypt. The park includes 8 areas and 14 gates. The Minister of Health and Population, Khaled Abdel Ghaffar, has announced that the presidential initiative Bidaya has provided 288 million services to the citizens over the course of 100 days. The minister added that these services included 148,819 surgical interventions under the initiative to clear patient waiting lists, with the central bank contributing 14,072 operations. Additionally, 1,525 medical convoys covering various specialties were launched, providing 1,587 403 services. The initiative also supported the infrastructure of university hospitals across different governorates, with a contribution of 1.2 billion Egyptian pounds from the central bank, set to continue until 2025. The Ministry of Health and Population has announced the inclusion of 193 neonatal intensive care units in hospitals under its authority, affiliated bodies and private centers as part of the first phase of the Raya initiative for newborn care. The ministry's spokesperson, Hossein Abdel Ghaffar, stated that the first phase governorates of the Raya initiative include Kafr al-Sheikh, Gharbeya, Fayoum, Red Sea, Matruh, and Minya. He also highlighted the training of 620 healthcare providers, including department heads, medical teams, and nursing staff in neonatal intensive care units at the Ministry of Health hospitals. The Minister of Labour, Mohammed Gabran, has stated that the ministry, in cooperation with the private sector, successfully provided more than 80,000 job opportunities domestically in 2024 within private sector companies. He added that the number of workers obtaining work permits abroad this year reached 467,898. The minister noted that overseas job opportunities were facilitated through the ministry's labor representation offices abroad or through government platforms. The National Council for Women has organized a coordination meeting on the role of council branches in provinces to combat violence against women. The meeting was attended by the council head, Amal Ammar, and deputy head, Nisreen al-Baghdadi, via the video conference. The meeting discussed financial and administrative matters, with key speakers emphasizing the importance of safe women's units in hospitals for supporting victims of violence. The Council highlighted Egypt's 2016 initiative to provide essential services for women facing violence and discussed future projects to support women's empowerment and fight violence. The Minister of Labour, Mohammed Gabr, and the Cairo Governor, Ibrahim Sabir, have handed out 90 job contracts to youth, including 70 for people with disabilities. They also distributed 14 certificates for completing sewing and embroidery training courses from ministry centres in Cairo. The event highlighted Egypt's President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi's directives to align training with labor market needs and integrate people with disabilities into the workforce as part of the New Beginning for Building Humanity initiative.